Very good morning, student. This is your maths teacher Rahul Garg, and student, we are discussing pair of linear equation in two variable. And in the last class, we have discussed what is linear equation. The linear equation is a polynomial whose degree or order will be 1. And the meaning of two variable means there will be two variable, that is x and y, and pair we use a pair of linear equation because we need two equation if we want to solve two variables. If we want to solve only one variable, then we need only one equation, but for two variable we need at least two equation, and similarly for three variable we need at least three equations. Now then we have discussed, if we have two pair of linear equations, then the geometrically there will be three cases. First, because of linear equation, the line will be straight and the line may be intersecting line. The second case, it may be parallel line, and the third case it may be coincident line. And then we have done some numerical basis on the representation of the linear equation graphically, and today we will discuss what is the relation between coefficient of variables and their algebraic interpretation. Means, if this is my equation, this is my pair of linear equation, then you know that the general form of equation was a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. I am repeating, a1x plus b1y plus c equals 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. This is my general form of pair of linear equation. Now comparing the coefficient with general form, we will get a1. From this we will get a1 1 and b1 will be minus 2, and similarly c1 will be 0. Now a2 will be 3 and b2 will be 4 and c2 will be minus 20. Now find the ratio of a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2. This will become 1 by 3 minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2, and 0 divided by minus 20. You know that here a1 a2 doesn't equals b1 b2. a1 a2 not equal to b1 b2, and this is the condition, that is a1 by a2 not equals b1 by b2. This is the condition for intersecting line. That was the first case of line representation. That was the first case, that is intersecting lines. And you know that if two lines intersect, then there will be one common point and one point which will satisfy both the equation. Hence this will have exactly one solution, that is called unique solution. I am repeating, a1 by a2 not equals b1 by b2. This is the condition for intersecting lines, and intersecting lines have unique solution, exactly one solution. Now if any equation have solution, then it is called consistent pair of equation, consistent pair of lines. So this is consistent. Now considering second situation, that is the second equation, 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals 0. Again comparing their coefficient with general form of equation and find out the ratios, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. This will become 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Here b1 by b2 will become 3 by 6. Again this is 1 by 2. And c1 by c2, this is minus 9 divided by minus 18, and again this is 1 by 2. Means a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, and this is the condition for coincident line, that is the third case. Coincident line means two line will be coincide each other, overlap करेंगे एक दूसरे के ऊपर. And you know that there are infinite points and which satisfy both the conditions, both the equations. So it has infinitely many solutions, and you again, if it has solution, then it is consistent. I am repeating, a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. This is the condition for coincident line, and it has infinitely many solutions and called consistent pair of linear equation. Now consider this equation, that is x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. And again comparing the coefficient, we will get a1 by a2 equals 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 equals 2 by 4. This will again 1 by 2 and minus 4 by minus 12. This is c1 by c2 and equals 1 by 3. Now a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal but not equal c1 by c2. This is third condition, and this is the condition for parallel line. a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equal c1 by c2. This is the condition for parallel lines, and you know that there is no point which satisfy both the lines, and so it has no solution. And if it has no solution, then it is called inconsistent pair of linear equation. Let's revise. For intersecting lines, we have a1 by a2 not equals b1 by b2, and it has exactly one solution and consistent pair of linear equation. And for coincident line, 3 ratio will be equals, and it has infinitely many solution and again consistent. But for parallel line, a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 but not equals c1 by c2, and it has no solution. Now on the basis of this condition, we will start our exercise 3.2. Now our first question is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines, this is first equation of line, and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals 0 are intersecting at a point parallel or coincident. आपको इन तीनों के कंपेयर कर रेशो कंपेयर करके आपको ये बताना है कि इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन है या पैरेलल है या फिर कोइंसिडेंट है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑन कंपेयरिंग द इक्वेशंस विद जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन, वी विल गेट a1 equal 5, this will become a1, and this will become b1, that is minus 4, and this is c1, that is 8. Now a2 will be 7, b2 is स्टूडेंट एक बार करेक्शन इसमें चेक कर लेना. आई थिंक हियर विल बी देयर विल बी पॉजिटिव सिंबल, ठीक है. तो ये बन जाएगा हमारा +6. दिस इज +6 एंड c1 equals 8 and c2 is -9. First a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 are written here. Now find the ratio of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. Now a1 a2 is 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is -4 by +6. This will become -2 by 3. This will become -2 by 3, and c1 by c2 will be 8 divided by -9. Now you know you can check that a1 by a2 not equals b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equals b1 by b2, and this is the condition for intersecting lines. My first case, intersecting line, and you know that if the intersecting line, then the pair of line will be consistent and have unique solution. ये मैं स्टूडेंट आपको साथ के साथ इसलिए बता रहा हूं ताकि आपको ये ध्यान रहे कि कंसिस्टेंट और यूनिक सॉल्यूशन चेक करने के लिए भी यही प्रोसीजर रहेगा. अदरवाइज आपका क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो चुका है. सो दिस इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. नाउ if lines, second sum is if line these are consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Now first we have to check consistent, and you know that for consistent or inconsistent we have to check ratios, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Then we will find if the consistent, then we will find solution of graphically, otherwise we will not solve further. Now on comparing the equation we will get a1 a2 b1 b2 as this: a1 2, b1 1, c1 minus 6 and a2 4, b2 minus 2, c2 minus 4. Now the ratio will be 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2, that is minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2, that is minus 6 by minus 4, that is 3 by 4. Now you can check that a1 by a2 is not equals b1 by b2, because this is positive and this is negative. Hence this is intersecting line and it has consistent pair of lines. It is consistent pair of line, so it has unique solution. Now how we will solve graphically? First we will plot a graph and the intersecting point will be its solution. And for graphical solution, my first equation 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0, and solution for this is if x equals 0 then y will be plus 6, and for y equals 0, if I put y equals 0 then x will be plus 3. And similarly for second equation, that is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0, if x is 0, if I put x equals 0 then y will be minus 2, and for y equals 0 x will be plus 1. And now plot the graph. Now for x0 y6, the first point, this is my first point, that is x0 y6, and for x3 y0 this is my second point, and meet these 2 points, then AB represent 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. And for this x0 y minus 2, this line here, and for x1 y0 this is here, and meeting these 2 points, this will represent the equation 4x minus 2y minus 4, and this is the intersecting point, and you can find the points intersecting point by drawing perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis, and this is 2 2, and the intersecting point is known as solution for this, and intersecting point is 2 2, and this is solution. Now this is exercise 3.2. You can solve this type of numericals. First is you have to make the equations and then solve the equations graphically, and in second you have to check the lines are parallel or coincident lines, and in third you have to check consistent and inconsistent pair of solution, and fourth is if consistent then find the solution graphically. And these are again word problem. You will solve exercise 3.2. Thank you student. Have a nice day.